Welcome to Light of the Hills Ministries, and today we are going to be reading the Bible verse of the day, and it is Jeremiah chapter 31 verse 25, "For I have satiated the weary soul, and I have replenished every sorrowful soul." There are seasons in life when our strength is gone. We become weary from carrying burdens, enduring trials, fighting temptation, grieving loss, or simply waiting on Yahweh's promises. The world offers many temporary comforts, but none can truly satisfy the weary heart. In this beautiful promise, Yahweh declares that He Himself is the one who satisfies the weary soul. The word satiated means to fill completely, leaving nothing lacking. Yahweh does not merely give enough to survive, He fills His people with His peace, His presence, and His strength. He also says He will replenish every sorrowful soul. Sorrow drains us emotionally and spiritually, but Yahweh restores what grief has taken away. He renews hope where despair has settled and gives joy that cannot be found in earthly circumstances. This promise ultimately points us to Yahushua the Messiah, who invites all who are weary and burdened to come to Him for rest. When we draw near to Him in prayer, meditate on His word, and trust His faithfulness, He refreshes our inner being even if our outward circumstances remain difficult. Perhaps today you are carrying a burden that feels too heavy. Remember that Yahweh does not ask you to carry it alone. Cast your cares upon Him. He knows your exhaustion, your tears, and your silent prayers. The one who created your soul is the only one who can truly satisfy it. Wait upon Him today. He is faithful to replenish every heart that seeks Him. Abba Yahweh, thank You for seeing our weariness and knowing every sorrow we carry. Thank You for promising to satisfy the weary soul and replenish the sorrowful heart. Teach us to rest in Your presence instead of relying on our own strength. Fill us with Your peace, renew our hope, and strengthen us to walk faithfully before You. Help us to trust You in every season, knowing that You alone can truly satisfy our soul. Amen. Thank you for watching and listening. If you found this to be a blessing, please consider sharing, liking, and please click on the notification button to be notified of the next devotion. Also, please comment below on how we can pray for you and how this has blessed you. Yahweh bless and shalom to your homes.